Woo! Might get stabbed.
Woo! All right, this looks fun. Potatoes. Hey guys, welcome to Autodidactic Therapy. There we go. What is this? Wave mic arm LP.
The Elgato, this is the low profile mic arm. This part clamps to the table, and then you have an adjustable arm to hold your microphone in place while you're recording. But I bought it for a microphone.
Okay, let's open it. It's black, huh? Oh, very nice. That's cool.
Here's the clamp.
Wow, it's solid. Metal? Wow, and it has the pad too, so it doesn't scratch up your table?
Yep.
That's cool.
So I think it's removable. So this stays, and then you can remove the arm. It just pops in there, kind of like that.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. Cool.
Good fit and finish. It's not wobbling all over the place. There's an Allen key adjustment here.
Oh, okay. So this is pretty universal. I think you can do a DSLR.
And a ball at the end. Which is this.
Oh.
I guess one test would be to see whether you can hold a pretty heavy camera. Yeah, that's several pounds of force in this bowl.
It's pretty hefty. It's like good solid metal.
I think it was 80 bucks.
80 bucks? Not bad. Where'd you get it from? Amazon?
The Jungle Store.
The Jungle Store. Hey, that's a good name for it.
From another YouTube channel.
Oh, that's funny.
Cantina, the guy that makes car videos. So check this out. This is a nice feature. Let's say you're against a wall and you're attaching this to your table right next to a wall, and you're not able to turn this. They have a nice feature where you can hit the button and it moves without actually turning. So let's say you're tightening and then you can't go. There's a wall here. You can hit the button, lift it up, undo it, turn.
Oh, like a release mechanism.
It's like a ratchet.
Oh, that's so cool.
That's really smart.
Yeah, that's really smart.
That is cool.
That's awesome.
So I just found out that this is made by Corsair. So I was wondering who Elgato was. It's actually a division of Corsair.
Oh, I didn't know that. That's a very popular brand. Well, I do a lot of computer parts, right?
Yep.
Cool.
Cases.
All right, let's try it on the table. Cool.
Nice and tight. All right, just leave that on the table. It just slides in. You're good to go.
Ooh, it feels so smooth.
I feel like it should be robotic.
All right, that's cool. Full motion.
So this goes front, back, left, right. This goes up and down. So yeah, you got full 360. And then this ball arm.
Now, how high can you go with that? Like,
this is it. This is as
just the highest to go.
Because there's no 360 ball here. So this is the maximum height.
Woo!
Might get stabbed.
Woo! All right, this looks fun. It's super easy to store too, right? So you just kind of
you just
close this.
Yeah, you can just,
and then
just gets out of the way, or you can just remove it.
Oh wow. Yeah, it's just 2-piece, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, super easy. Wait, that came with the package or no?
No.
Oh, okay. So we're gonna put this. Let's see here. Is this a Yeti? Ooh, it's a Warcraft edition. That's really cool.
Yep.
Oh, it's a maximum load 4.4 pounds.
Nice.
Cool.
So don't sit on it.
Don't sit on it, or don't swing from it. Maybe a cat can break it, but I don't think a cat's more than 4 pounds, right? But that's really cool. Blue
Yeti. Sorry,
Blue
not
Yeti.
Yeti. Blue Yeti.
Blue Yeti.
And then I bought a pop filter for it,
Oh, that's cool. So you don't spit on
so I
it.
can get nice and close, and you don't hear the puzz and the like when I say potato.
Potatoes. All right, let's put this. Let's make this thing tight.
Get on there. Let's get connected.
Comes with adapter.
Comes with an adapter kit, because obviously this won't go into this. So we have a little Allen key. Oh, the Allen key is for the side screws. I think one of these was adjustable. Yep, this arm right here is adjustable up down. So if you need more movement on top of what
That's
this gives
adjustable.
you, so you can adjust this. I think the whole thing turns. So pop this in. Who needs directions? We'll just guess which way it goes. Yeah, no, righty tighty, but
There you go. Nice.
yeah, that's actually well made. Those
It's sturdy looking.
screws are sharp. All right, there you go.
That's cool.
I always put important things in tiny boxes.
Or bags.
Bags, yes. This is not a box.
Cool.
Oh, so yeah, there we go. That's a. So this is sagging a little bit. So let me tighten this, and it holds.
Wow. That is sturdy.
That's not a light microphone, so something like this should hold. So that's pretty impressive because holding it at that angle is very tiring,
Oh yeah.
and it's staying. I'm impressed.
That's awesome.
So this microphone's actually pretty cool. It's got multiple patterns, cardioid, all the other good stuff that I can't remember because it's been a year since I used it. And that's what
I mean, just the fact that it has Warcraft edition on there.
Oh, yeah.
That's really awesome.
Orc power.
Orc power. That's awesome. I paused it. There we go. That's cool. That's awesome. There we go. Like all the angles. I mean, when you sit down. Well, I hope you guys like this review. Let us know what you guys think and enjoy.